Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. In this video, we're going to solve a challenging algebraic problem. We are given A, B, and C are that they are positive real numbers, and if 1 over 1 plus A plus 1 over 1 plus B plus 1 over 1 plus C is less than or equal 1, we're going to prove this inequality. 1 plus A squared times 1 plus B squared times 1 plus C squared is greater than or equal 125. In the first step, we start from this expression and move 1 over A to other side. 1 minus 1 over 1 plus A by making common denominator is going to be A divided by 1 plus A. By using the same way, we can write 1 over 1 plus A plus 1 over 1 plus C is less than or equal B over 1 plus B, and 1 over 1 plus A plus 1 over 1 plus B is less than or equal C over 1 plus C. Now we want to use AMGM inequality. If we have two non-negative real numbers, x and y, we can write x plus y over 2 is greater than or equal to square root of x times y, or x plus y is greater than or equal to 2 times square root of xy, and we won't use this inequality for our fractions. We put x equals 1 over 1 plus b and y equals 1 over 1 plus c, so we're going to get 1 over 1 plus b plus 1 over 1 plus c is greater than or equal 2 times square root of multiplication of these two fractions. The product of this fraction can be written as 1 over 1 plus b times 1 plus c. As you know, square root of 1 is equal to 1, and we're going to get 2 over 1 plus b times 1 plus c. We know 1 over 1 plus b plus 1 over 1 plus c is less than a over 1 plus a. So 2 over square root of 1 plus b times 1 plus c is less than or equal to a over 1 plus a. Also, by using the same way, we can write 2 over square root of 1 plus a times 1 plus c is less than or equal b over 1 plus b, and 2 over 1 plus a square root of 1 plus a times 1 plus b is less than or equal c over 1 plus c. By multiplication, these three inequality, we're going to get a b c over 1 plus a times 1 plus b times 1 plus c is greater than or equal 8 over square root of 1 plus a to the power 2 times 1 plus b to the power 2 times 1 plus c to the power 2. 1 plus a times 1 plus b times 1 plus c, the exponent of 1 plus a is 2, and this exponent and the index of radical is going to cancel out, so 1 plus a comes out from radical. Also 1 plus b and 1 plus c come out from radical, and we're going to get 8 over 1 plus a times 1 plus b times 1 plus c. By multiplication, both sides of this inequality by 1 plus a, 1 plus b, and 1 plus c, we're going to get a, b, c is greater than or equal 8. In the next step, we use this and we put 1 plus a squared times 1 plus b squared times 1 plus c squared equals to f. Now we can multiplying these three parentheses and we're going to get this expression. Now we want to use AMGM inequality for three non-negative real numbers. If we have x, y, and z as three non-negative real numbers, you can write the AMGM inequality for these three numbers: x plus y plus z over 3 is greater than or equal cube root of x times y times z. Now we put x equals a squared, y equals b squared, and z equals c squared. So we're going to get a squared plus b squared plus c squared over 3 is greater than or equal cube root of a squared, b squared, c squared. This inequality can be written as in this form. Also, we can put x equals a squared, b squared, y equals b squared, c squared, and z equals a squared, c squared. And we can write the AMGM inequality for these three terms. And we're going to get a squared, b squared, plus b squared, c squared, plus a squared, c squared is greater than or equal 3 times a to the power 4, b to the power 4, c to the power 4 to the power 1 over 3. We need to add these two expression. We want to make these expressions, so we need to add both sides by 1 and a squared, b squared, c squared. We're going to get this expression. The expression on the left hand side is equal to f. Since a times b times c is greater than or equal 8, we can raise both sides to the power 2, and we're going to get a squared, b squared, c squared is greater than or equal 8 squared. And also we can raise both sides to the power 4, and we're going to get a to the power 4, b to the power 4, and c to the power 4 is greater than or equal to 8 to the power 4. By using this expression, we can say 1 plus 3 times a squared, b squared, c squared to the power 1 over 3 plus 3 times a to the power 4, b to the power 4, c to the power 4, then to the power 4, 1 over 3 plus a squared, b squared, c squared is greater than or equal to 1 plus 3 times a squared, then to the power 1 over 3 plus 3 times a squared, 8 squared to the power 1 over 3 plus 8 squared. As you know, 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3, and we can multiplying the exponent, so we're going to get 2 to the power 6 over 3 or 2 to the power 2. In here we are going to get 2 to the power 4. 1 plus 3 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 to the power 4 plus 8 squared is going to be 125. So we're going to get the desired result. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment.